going to the Vale of Belvoir. I'm just going to cross the border from Nottinghamshire into Leicestershire. So see how far we get today. Not sure, we'll make it up as we go along. But it's my day off, so I'm just glad to get out and not be in work. Some lovely views now. Right, we're just about to cross the busy 606 that goes from Nottingham to Melton Mowbray, and then we'll get onto the ridge overlooking the Vale of Belvoir. Yeah. This is quite a busy road to Belvoir Castle, so we're going to just take a right here and get off it and go through some more quieter country lanes. So this is a much quieter road now. Nice views of the Vale of Belvoir. Just coming up on the left is a nice fishing place, and they've got a nice cafe as well. It's a bit early in the ride to go stop there today. That's Lakeview Fisheries. We'll do a quick right here to Skelford, and then I think we're going to take a left. So we're just coming into Skelford now in Leicestershire. It's a nice village. And we're going to take a left here, just opposite this pub, the King's Arms. With all this sandstone. Right, it should be a left here, I think, to Wickham. Is it? Yeah. There are just so many of these lovely country lanes in Leicestershire. Absolutely brilliant. So you can just take your pick which one you're going to go down, really. They're all pretty nice, great views. Right, we're heading to Waltham. Waltham on the Wolds. Alright, we're just going to cross the A607 now at Waltham. It's a nice village as well. Busy junction though. Royal Horseshoes pub. So I've done about 30 kilometres now, and we're just going to go to the village of Stonesby, which apparently means village by the tree stump. I wonder if that's still there. Oh, lovely, lovely stone buildings. I think it's left here, is it? No. Keep going. Right, in Saltby now, coming to Saltby. So apparently this is Saltby derives its name from an old Roman road called the Salt Way. Yeah, I really like these villages, these stone villages set in beautiful countryside. And it's got a pub too. What more do you want? So this is what I really enjoy about coming out in the Vale of Belvoir. Some nice country roads, not much traffic about if you know where to go. I can see a plaque. I think I know what this is. Oh yeah, I've been on this before. The Viking Way. Right, well, we've just come to the Drift, which is an ancient Iron Age road that goes all the way from the Humber, up there, the Humber Bridge, all the way down to, I think it's Oakham. I think it's about 149 miles. And I have been mountain biking down there as well, which is brilliant. So I might come back and do that. I did that about 4 years ago. So it's a cracking road. It's called the Viking Way. I think it's Sewerston Lane or something like that. But it's an ancient Iron Age road. Yeah, I'm going to come back and do that one. Be great. But we're going to go this way, heading towards Belvoir Castle, I think. Yeah, forgot to mention that Drift, the Viking Way there, that ancient trackway is a boundary between Leicestershire and Lincolnshire. So I think I've crossed into Lincolnshire now. So we're just heading to Wyville cum Hungerton, two little villages that were mentioned in the Doomsday Book. I'm not even sure the village is, probably just a collection of farms. Oh yeah, Wyville, let's go and have a look at that. A little detour. I think it's a dead end, but we'll have a look anyhow. Yeah, see what Wyville's got to offer. So this is it, this is Wyville. I think this is just a church. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, look at that. Which one's this one? Let's have a look. So this little hamlet is literally down a dead end. There's nothing here other than a church and a couple of houses, and surrounded by this countryside. Look at this, unbelievable. So this is Wyville. So we've just left that little hamlet of Wyville. Can't believe it had a village hall. There's only about 3 houses. 30 miles an hour. Phew, that was a good descent. My first glimpse of Belvoir Castle, about 4 miles away. Right, we've done about 50 kilometres now, about 30 miles, so we're just going to have some refreshments in the engine yard. Get something to eat, hopefully. I think I've possibly overdone it with my lunch order. And there's the engine yard where we've just had lunch. I'm not going to lie, that's laying like a stone now. So that's going to be hard getting going again, but we'll have to. So about 18 miles from home. Long Clawson now. Cheese capital. There's a wharf, old wharf. Great cafe that. I've just decided to go down the Grantham Canal from Hickling to Kinalton. It might be a bit of a mistake with these tyres, so we'll see whether the tyres are up to coming down this gravel path. So just finishing off with Kinalton Hill. What a killer tender ride. Oh. Well, I managed to make it up Kinalton Hill in one piece. It's always a really tough way to finish a ride. I've probably got about 3 or 4 miles to go now, but I'll finish the video here and I'll leave you with these views of the Vale of Belvoir and Belvoir Castle, which is just over there somewhere. So if I haven't already given it a like and subscribe, I'd be grateful if you did so. It helps the channel massively. So until next time, thank you very much.